Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel all about do-it-yourself crafts, and today we will be decorating the snowman. Today we are going to be making the biker, and it's going to be just the hat, and I will be making a series of videos to finish up the outfit. There will be a series of videos teaching you how to make each part of the outfit, so keep watching and look for those videos. Okay, so what you're going to need is some black material, and I just ended up using a large t-shirt, extra large t-shirt, and I just cut the sleeve and basically put it around the head of the snowman to give me some guideline until I can get my template made. Okay, so I wanted to make a template for the hat, so I just got a piece of cardboard and a bowl, and it fit pretty nicely around the hat, so you just have to experiment and find something that's going to give you the roundness and the size that you want. And I just used my marker and made an outline, and this was pretty simple, and it ended up working out very nicely. So then I just took my scissors and I cut out the template. Also remember to write on your template what it is and what you used it for, so you can have it for the future if you want to make more of these hats or any other kind of hat. This is a good template to use. And so that's about where we're at with the hat. I'm going to be making other videos section by section because I didn't want the videos to be too long, so you'll just have to look for each one that I make to finish up the decorations on this particular snowman. He did take me 3 days to make it, only because he was my first one. So hopefully this is going to speed up the time by making these templates. Okay, so now after making the template, you can use a fabric marker and just color in the circle. It made it a lot easier to cut it out this way. This material was 100% cotton, so it was very slippery, although it was very nice because it was stretchy, and I recommend using a stretchy fabric because when you're trying to make it tight to the head, it just helps to have it be able to give a little bit so you can shape it the way you want. And so I just ended up cutting around where the circle was at and just trimmed it up, and it turned out pretty good. And then you just have to use the part of the straps of the hat. You know, I used the sleeve from the shirt where it had a double lay of material is what I used for the straps. So when I was pulling it around the head, it, you know, gave, so I was able to shape it the way that I wanted to. And so you just kind of have to play around and design your own thing, and just, you know, it's in trial and error that things turn out. So this one turned out just fine, and you just have to gauge your straps when you're putting it around the head.